secret data. Abhay downloaded secret data from the computer Abhay downloaded secret data from the computer network of a foreign company. Abhay downloaded secret data from the computer network of a foreign company engaged in the manufacture of aircrafts. Engaged in the manufacture of aircrafts. Full stop. He was prosecuted and fined. He was prosecuted and fined rupees 1 lakh. He was prosecuted and fined rupees 1 lakh by the adjudicating officer under section 43 of the IT Act 2000. Under section 43 of the IT Act 2000. यहां तक लिखा सबने?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Under IT Act 2000. Okay, full stop. Is any remedy available to Abhay? Is any remedy available to Abhay? इसका आंसर क्या होगा?
Same as last.
Absolutely right. Absolutely right. Same as last. Okay. It is going to be same as last. अभी दोनों questions में ना, which we have written, the first paragraph would be that we have to file an appeal, with the adjudicating officer, and if you are not happy, you can go to the appellate tribunal, and then if you are not happy with the order of appellate tribunal, you can go to the high court. ये line तो first paragraph में आ जाएगा. All of what I have said will be covered in the first paragraph. Now second paragraph, दोनों आंसर्स में एक second paragraph है जो आपको commonly लिखना है. ठीक है, दोनों आंसर के लिए सेम है. Now I will be dictating a second paragraph which you have to write in both the answers. ठीक है, have you understood what I am
Yes,
trying to take? I mean what I am trying to say. Have you understood? Huh? The first paragraph is going to be same, that any person aggrieved by the order of controller of certifying authority or the adjudicator can appeal to the appellate tribunal within 45 days, and any person aggrieved by any decision or order of appellate tribunal may appeal to high court within 60 days, and jurisdiction of civil courts is barred in respect of any matter which an adjudicating officer or appellate tribunal has power to determine. These lines have to be written in both the answers in first paragraph. Now there is a second paragraph which will be common to both the answers. I am dictating that. Please write it. Ready, everyone?
yes, ma'am.
Right. However, since under section 43 of the Act, since under section 43 of the Act, since under section 43 of the Act, comma, अभी फर्स्ट वाले क्वेश्चन में इट वाज डैमेजिंग डेटा स्टोर्ड इन अ कंप्यूटर, and second question it was downloading secret data stored in a computer. Okay, so you apply it accordingly. पहला वाला अगर क्वेश्चन आया तो उसमें यू विल राइट डैमेजिंग डेटा स्टोर्ड इन अ कंप्यूटर. सेकेंड वाला आया तो आप क्या लिखोगे? डाउनलोडिंग सीक्रेट डेटा स्टोर्ड इन अ कंप्यूटर. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से? Since
Yes,
it
ma'am.
is
Yes, ma'am.
common, but the mistake done is different, तो आप कैसे लिखोगे? However, comma, since under section 43 of the act, comma, in the first answer you will write damaging data stored in a computer. In the second one you will write downloading secret data stored in a computer. ये लिखने के बाद is liable to be punished, is liable to be punished with a penalty not exceeding, is liable to be punished with a penalty not exceeding 1 crore rupees, is liable to be punished with a penalty not exceeding 1 crore rupees, comma, is liable to be punished with a penalty not exceeding 1 crore rupees, comma, the remedy will only work in his favor, the remedy will only work in his favor if it is proven that, the remedy will only work in his favor if it is proven that he is not guilty of offense. He is not guilty of the offense. The remedy will only work in his favor if it is proven that he is not guilty of the offense. He is not guilty of the offense. Have you written it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Next question. Ready? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Chanchal sues Indian Online Limited. Chanchal sues Indian Online Limited for allowing a subscriber. Chanchal sues Indian Online Limited for allowing a subscriber, Rajat. Chanchal sues Indian Online Limited for allowing a subscriber, Rajat, to use its chat room, to use its chat room for making videotapes, to use its chat room for making videotapes and photographs of child pornography. Chanchal sues Indian Online Limited for allowing a subscriber, Rajat, to use its chat room for making videotapes and photographs of child pornography, of child pornography in which, in which Chanchal's minor son appears, in which Chanchal's minor son appears. Full stop. Have you written this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The complaint alleged that, the complaint alleged that, the complaint alleged that IOL was negligent per se, IOL was negligent per se, IOL was negligent per se. Per se is PERSE. PER different, SE different. Okay, these are two different words. IOL was negligent per se, PERSE. PER फिर space फिर SE. In allowing Rajat, IOL was negligent per se in